Is the useless data for calls feature not working on the Telegram app? If Telegram voice or video calls are using too much mobile data, the setting isn't being saved or you can't find the option. It can affect your data usage and call experience. In this video, I will show you how to fix useless data for calls on Telegram app. The first thing you have to do is to go to Telegram. You click here. Then this page we click on the sign of settings. Here in this page of settings you will go to data and storage. After that, in this page what you will find is this window. You will find here useless data for calls, and here you can choose how to use it only on mobile data or while roaming. So this is how it works. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.